Do you want to learn the Kazakh language but don't know where and how to start? You can subscribe to the YouTube channel Kazakh Language with Jannur. Each week a new video is uploaded. If you want to learn with a teacher, then join to our class Facebook group. There you can post your homework and it will be checked. All your questions will be answered. An exciting new addition to our teaching program is live pronunciation lessons each Saturday. Join us, I will answer you live. If the grammar is hard, then our Instagram page might be perfect for you. Watch short videos of everyday Kazakh phrases. You can also read about us on Twitter. Chinese students can go to this Weibo account and watch Kazakh video lessons with Chinese subtitles. These free lessons are to help you to become a confident Kazakh speaker. See you there!